Hello everyone. This is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm taking a look at the new 12 days of Stitchmas Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. Now, before we jump in, I wanted to let you know that this year, just like last year, there are two Advent calendars from Spellbinders. There is the Crafty Advent Calendar with 24 crafty surprises, and I have a video showing this Advent calendar. So I'll link to that video. And there's also a 12 days of Stitchmas, a stitching advent calendar. And this is the advent we're going to take a look at in this video. So can you hear the dice shaking? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Christmas is my favorite holiday, so I can never have too many advent calendars or too many Christmas products or too many Christmas decorations or too many anything Christmas, because I don't know, it's like the best time of the year. So whenever I hear anything Christmas, I get super giddy, I get super excited, and I'm just, I'm just happy to take a look, happy to create, and happy to share the joy with you guys. Okay, so 12 days of Stitchmas. What we have in this advent calendar is 12 stitching dies and an ornament topper, so that you can turn those little stitched pieces into ornaments and actually hang them on a Christmas tree if you wanted to decorate a Christmas tree with those. Okay, let's flip the box and take a look at the back. So here on the back of the box, we can see the beautiful design. We can also see some sneak peeks, and who does not love sneak peeks, right? So we have these adorable little mittens. We have a little sentiment that you can stitch. It reads warm wishes. And we have this darling little penguin that, again, you can stitch. You can stitch the belly of the penguin and then even the hat. So the back of the box says cutting dies require a manual die cutting machine such as the Spellbinders Platinum, Platinum 6, or Scout. And these machines obviously are not included. So this is just basic information. And in case you're new to Spellbinders, in case you're new to stitching dies, you will need a die cutting machine to use those. I am happy to see that this advent is compatible with the Scout die cutting machine. Let me go ahead and grab my Scout. So the Scout, again, in case you're new, Scout is a smaller die cutting machine with a smaller opening. This is a 3.5-inch opening. It's a smaller machine compared to the Spellbinders Platinum. Again, let me go ahead and grab the Platinum so I can show you guys. So this is the Lilac Shimmer Platinum, and this one has a 6-inch opening. This one has a 3.5-inch opening. So the dies from the 12 days of Stitchmas are compatible with Scout, so they won't be larger than 3.5 inches. So this is good to know. Okay, let's go ahead and actually open this box. I'm excited to peek inside and see what awaits us. I just need to find some scissors so that I can actually open this. Hold tight. My craft room is still a bit of a disaster, and I still don't know where everything is. Every day, my goal is to organize and set up, and I do a little bit of that daily, but still, it's a huge undertaking. Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of this film. And let's take a look. Ta-da-da-da. Oh my goodness, I love the graphics here. This is so beautiful. You know, it's like you open the advent and you already feel amazing because of how beautiful everything is on the inside. Now, I'm not going to open anything in this video because I don't want to spoil anything for you. I do have additional videos coming where I will be stitching some of these. I won't be stitching all of these, but I will be stitching some. So if you want to see sneak peeks, if you want to see spoilers, you can check those videos out. Again, not spoiling anything in this video other than, whatever is already spoiled on the back of the box. There is also going to be a 12 days of Stitchmas class on the Spellbinders YouTube channel with different designers showing you how to create projects with these adorable dies, how to stitch them, how to use them, and all the good stuff. Now, there is also a stitch along kit available this year from Spellbinders. Spellbinders had a stitch-along kit available last year. I did not have a stitch-along kit when I was filming my video, so I didn't get to use it. This year, I do have my kit here with me, and I'm so happy to share it with you. So first of all, it comes in this nice zipper pouch, so everything is stored inside nicely. Let me just go ahead and pop everything out, and ooh, my goodness. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. So let me just pop everything out and show you so that I don't forget or miss anything. Okay, so first of all, looks like we have a pack of cardstock. And this is Spellbinders cardstock. So this is that nice high quality cardstock. Looks like we have some of our favorite colors. So this is the poppy red. This looks like dahlia, pink sand, blue lagoon, cosmic something, don't remember, partly cloudy, snowdrift, black, and again, don't remember because my memory is horrible. I can never remember the proper names of everything, but I'll link those below. Then we also have a sheet of mirror silver. This one is single-sided. And then we also have a sheet of mirror gold. Again, this is single-sided cardstock. And this paper is fantastic for die cutting, as is the Spellbinders regular cardstock. So we have a bunch of cardstock to cut from. We also have a stamp set with some fantastic sentiments. I'm not sure if the stamp set is available individually. I would have to investigate that, but the sentiments here are really nice. So we have Let It Snow, and I like that this is done as if it is, stitched in that stitched font. We have Winter Magic, Baby It's Cold Outside, Just Chilling, Merry Christmas. Again, this looks like it is stitched. Deck the Halls, Happy Holidays, A Gift for You, Shine Bright, Love, Peace, and Joy, Jingle All the Way. Again, this is stitched. Cold Hands, Warm Heart, and this one will work perfectly with those mittens. Then we have Let's Get Cozy. Again, this one's stitched, and then Merry Everything, Merry is stitched. So really nice and fun sentiments. I bet they were designed especially for the Advent calendar. So yay for that. We also have 2 packs of embellishments. We have the Aquamarine Color Essential Gems. And then we also have Fashion Oyster pearls. I really love those pearls. Looks like I'm missing a few, but remember guys, I usually get prototypes, so your pack will have, a full pack of gems, so don't worry about that. Then we have those fantastic gold needles. Oh my gosh, I never had gold needles before. These are my needles from last year. I have my needle minder. I didn't have my needle minder last year, but it came in late, so I now have it and I now use it. By the way, what is needle minder? I know not everybody knows what it is. Needle minder is basically this cute little design with a magnet built on the back, and then there's another piece of magnet that you can use to attach onto your project and, hold your needles while you're working so that you don't lose your needles, because we all do that, right? We all lose our needles as we create. So that's the needle minder from last year. But I'm kind of all over the place. Sorry, guys. What I was going to show you is the needles from last year's kit are silver, and then the needles from this year's kit are gold. And who does not love gold needles, right? Love that. I know that I do not have a needle minder for this year. There is a needle minder included in this stitch along kit. I just did not have it included in my kit because the needle minders were not available at the time where the stitch along kit was shipping, but I'll include a photo here so you guys can see what it looks like. And it will be included in your kit. Okay, we also have thread because of course we all need thread for the stitching dies. So we have a roll of diamond thread in white. We also have a roll of diamond in gold. And then we have several colors of regular DMC thread. Looks like we have some variegated thread. Love this color variation. And then we just have some regular colors like, pink and teal and green and blue. Oh, this one's variegated as well. Very cool. Okay, another variegated one. And so 4 variegated threads and then 6 regular colored threads. So this is a look at the Spellbinders 12 Days of Stitchmas Advent Calendar and the Stitch Along Kit. Those are sold separately. So you can pick up just the Advent Calendar, or you can pick up both, or you can pick up just the Stitch Along Kit if you want to have a Stitch Along Kit for maybe some of the other stitching dies that you have in your stash. I'm excited to take a peek and start stitching my first project. I will be back with additional videos showing you the crafty Advent Calendar with the 24 surprises, and also with additional videos showing how to stitch some of these dies. Stay tuned. Love you guys, and I'll see you again soon.